Good morning. Welcome to Sober Mornings on the Sober Joe YouTube channel, where I sort through various daily recovery literature to find the perfect reading for you and I each morning to help us start our day off right and help us get sober and stay sober. I'm going to put a new book in the rotation. This is called The Language of Letting Go. It's by Melody Beatty. It's a Hazelden publication. It's a great book. Today is January 27th. The title is Needing People. We can find the balance between needing people too much and not letting ourselves need anyone at all. Many of us have unmet dependency needs lingering from the past. While we want others to fulfill our desire to be loved unconditionally, we may have chosen people who cannot or will not be there for us. Some of us are so needy from not being loved that we drive people away by needing them too much. Some of us go to the other extreme. We may have become used to people not being there for us, so we push them away. We fight off our feelings of neediness by becoming overly independent and not allowing ourselves to need anymore. Some of us won't let people be there for us. Either way, we are living out unfinished business. We deserve better. When we change, our circumstances will change. If we are too needy, we respond to that by accepting the needy part of us. We let ourselves heal from the pain of the past needs going unmet. We stop telling ourselves we're unlovable because we haven't been loved the way we wanted and needed. If we shut people off, the part of us that needs people, we will become willing to open up, be vulnerable, and let ourselves be loved. We let ourselves have needs. We will get the love we need and desire when we begin to believe that we're lovable and when we allow that to happen. Today, I will strive for the balance between being too needy and not allowing myself to need people, and I will let myself receive the love that is there for me. This is a beautiful reading, and I love how it ends up trying to find that balance because I think most of us kind of go back and forth, and there are times when we isolate and shut people out, and there are other times when we're needy, and we push people away by being too needy. And also the really nice solution that they provide, which is, if we're too needy, we stop telling ourselves we're unlovable because we haven't been loved in the way we wanted and needed. We tell ourselves we are in fact lovable. And then if we've shut people off, we open up and be vulnerable with other people. And we need other people in recovery. We can't do this alone. Remember that we stay sober one day at a time. And the best way to have a sober day is to start with a sober morning. So thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.